Hi, and welcome to Renew, Reuse, Restore. When I started this company, I really had a vision to restore furniture, but not just restore furniture, but to help people renew their mind with a verse or a teaching from the Holy Bible. Now, with that being said, there's always going to be haters. There's going to be haters that don't want to hear what I have to say about the Bible. There's going to be haters that don't want to listen to the music that I play on my videos. There's going to be haters that don't like my furniture, and that's fine. Everybody has a choice to make, and if you choose not to listen, there's always that little button on YouTube. It's called the mute button. You can mute the music or whatever you don't want to listen to what I have to say. So I just wanted to share that even God's people, the Israelites, they didn't want to listen either. In Isaiah 42:18, it starts with, "Hear, you deaf, look, you blind, and see. Who is blind but my servant, and deaf like the messenger I send? Who is blind like the one committed to me, blind like the servant of the Lord? You have seen many things, but have paid no attention. Your ears are open, but you hear nothing." And I just wanted to share that you can always be a light to the world amidst those hater people, and you can stay positive, and you can share love, and you can share kindness with others. So let's go and do that today. So this is what I got at the thrift store. It's a tissue box holder, and sometimes you don't really want the fancy looking patterns that they have on the cardboard. So what I'm going to do is turn this kind of into a mid-century modern style with stain. The first thing I need to do is sand off this painting that's on here, and I'm using a 80 grit sandpaper. After wiping the piece and taping around the edges, I'm now ready to apply the stain. I'm using Minwax gel stain, colors in walnut and cherry wood. Get the walnut. All right, now the gel stain's dry. I'm going to put on a coat of polyacrylic. So just stirring this up really good because it settles at the bottom. Time to lightly sand the piece with 400 grit sandpaper before putting on the last coat of polyacrylic.
Here's the finished piece.